How to attach indicators or expert advisors to a chart. To attach an indicator to a chart, first of all, you need to open the chart of the chosen currency pair. Right-click on the currency pair in the Market Watch window. In the pop-up menu, click Chart window and the corresponding chart will open. Double-click the Indicators tab in the Navigator window and you will see the list of available indicators. Choose the necessary one and drag it to the opened chart. The other way is to right-click on the indicator and choose Attach to a chart. In the pop-up window, you need to set the indicator's parameters such as its color and time frame. To finish, click OK. Attaching expert advisors to a chart is done in the same way. Double-click on the Expert Advisors tab in the Navigator window and drag the chosen advisor to the chart. Or you can right-click on the necessary advisor and choose Attach to a chart. In the pop-up window, you can change settings for the expert advisor. If you find it difficult to choose the proper settings, you'd better contact the advisor's developer. To enable automated trading, tick the Allow Live Trading box in the Common tab of the Settings window. To finish, click OK. Now the advisor is attached to a chart and you can see its name in the right upper corner of the chart. The only thing that is left to do is to allow the advisor to trade. Click the Auto Trading button on the main toolbar. As a result, a smiley should appear near the advisor's name on the chart, indicating that the advisor is active and waiting for the right moment to initiate a trade.